a very, very happiest birthday, my sweetheart. Keep that smile on your face always, the charming and the chirping and the enthusiasm, the energy you give around to the other people. It's absolutely amazing. Never ever lose that. So keep that going, my sweetheart. The first time I met Swati was in January. She was just walking in as my housemate, and that house wouldn't be a home without you, Swati. I miss our morning tea session, and you got me into the habit of drinking this ginger tea, and I'm like so hooked up with it, and I'm like, I just keep bragging about it. I'm like, this is not the same as Swati's tea. This is not the same as Swati tea. And obviously I can't make tea to save my life either. So I'm just getting there, but not as being a pro actually. So I miss our chai times and how we used to like sip our tea in the morning in that couch and like catch up for the entire day. And like obviously you do the talking. You're always like this and that. So it's like you exist everywhere in that house. As I said, that house would not be a home without your presence in there. So I'm really, really happy and grateful that I met you in my life and you've been my housemate. Thank you for being there for me as a housemate, as a friend, as a sister, as an amazing human being. There has been times, ups and downs, whatever it is, you've always been supportive for me. I miss you so much and I'm very happy that you're part of my life. So you have a greatest birthday.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here, you can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do.
Things about Swati, and there are loads of memories about you. Things is like you're always charming and chirpy, you know. It's like the enthusiasm you have, it's like the energy you have is amazing. And you know, like, do you remember our little dances that we used to do, the random crazy dances? It's like, especially during the lockdown, you know, we had so much plans. Basically we were supposed to go to a bar, to a club and this and that, but we didn't do nothing. But we had the best time indoors, I would say. So part of the reasons goes to our crew, of course, Addy and Sid and Shankar and DJ and everyone, you know, who was around us, and of course Silky. So yeah, but indoors we had like some amazing time. As I said, during this lockdown, the lockdown would have been bored, horrible, depressive, but it was not like that, because again your presence was there. We were surrounded with amazing friends. So again, thank you.
दोस्ती बड़ी ही हसीन है, ये ना हो तो क्या फिर बोलो ये जिंदगी है। कोई तो हो राज़दार, बेगरज तेरा हो यार, कोई तो हो राज़दार। यारों मोहब्बत ही तो बंदगी है, ये ना हो तो क्या फिर बोलो ये जिंदगी है। कोई तो दिलबर हो यार, जिसको तुझसे हो प्यार।
Do not stop being that amazing person as you are. So I miss definitely our drinking times. I miss our card games and the fights you used to have for the cards. It was so competitive, you know. Yeah, the SS team, the Saraswati team, and the Adi Shankar team. So it's awesome. We have some amazing good memories, and I miss all of those things. So you have a fantastic birthday and loads of love. I miss you so much, and you're amazing. Take care. Bye bye.
बोलो हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू मोसी स्वाति बोलो मौसी आ जाओ मेरे पास। अच्छा किसी दे दो एक, नक्षित ऊपर देख के दो। स्वाता हैप्पी बर्थडे, पार्टी हार्ड, एंड मुझे मत भूलियो, ठीक है? जब भी आएगी पार्टी पक्का, ओके?
Happy birthday, Swati. Wish you all the love and happiness in the world. Happy birthday.
Hey, hi Swati. It's your day, and I am here to wish you a really very happy birthday. यार. It's been a long time since we last met. हमने अंदर की शादी में मिले थे in fact last. So guess what? Here's a chance, and yes, I'm also getting married. The date is 11th of December. Underline कर लो 11th of December. So soon you'll be receiving a formal invitation from my side. आना ज़रूर है, कोई बहाना नहीं चलेगा। एंड वीडियो को आगे ना बढ़ाते हुए, टाइम वेस्ट ना करते हुए, आई विश यू अ रियली वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे वंस अगेन। कीप स्माइलिंग एंड कीप रॉकिंग। बाय।
Hi, Swati.
The very first thing I want to say is I miss you a lot, yaar. I seriously miss you, Moto. And समझ नहीं आ रहा क्या बोलूँ, ऐसे तो बहुत बोलती हूँ मैं। But the thing is, wish you a very 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 happy birthday. I hope to see you soon. I want to have lots of fun with you. और मुझे बहुत सारी बातें करनी है जो हमारे छोटे छोटे सीक्रेट होते हैं वो शेयर करने हैं। आई नो वी हार्डली टॉक, हम बहुत ही कम बात करते हैं, बट स्टिल इट्स लाइक यू आर वेरी 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 स्पेशल एंड आई लव यू फॉर दैट। अगेन विश यू अ वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे।
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Swati. Happy birthday to you. A very happy birthday to you, Swati. And I know there were a lot of days when you were mad at me for not being in touch with you, but all I can say is we may just go on without talking to each other for days, weeks, months, but you'll always have my back. I'm always going to be there for you, no matter what it takes. I love you. Enjoy your day. God bless you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Swati. Happy birthday to you. I love you. Mwah.
Hi Swati.
Hi Swati.
Happy
birthday
birthday.
to you.
Have a great day.
Have a wonderful time, Swati. Actually, we all planned to come to your birthday, but this lockdown came in between, unfortunately. It's okay. We will meet up on some other time. Enjoy your birthday. Have a great time, Swati.
See you soon.
See you soon.
Bye.
We miss your smile. Love you. Take care. Bye, Swati.
Bye-bye.
Have a wonderful day.
Happy birthday, Swati.
Stay blessed, खूब enjoy करना लॉकडाउन में बर्थडे में घर के
अब
अंदर
पार्टी शार्टी जम के करना।
घर के अंदर खूब बढ़िया बढ़िया चीजें बनाना तुम और सिल्की सब फ्रेंड्स के साथ एंजॉय करना जैसे भी कर सकते हो बेस्ट पॉसिबल वे में एंड एक्चुअली बहुत ज्यादा मिस करते हैं तुझे गुल्लू मुल्लू लव यू सो मच अपना बहुत सारा ध्यान रख एंड यस यू ऑलवेज मेक फैमिली प्राउड सो लव यू सो मच गुल्लू लॉट्स ऑफ लव बाय
Bye bye.
Hey Swati,
happy birthday. God bless you.
We miss you.
Come soon.
सब गड़बड़ हो गया
Happy birthday to you जी केक शेक है तो फिर बुलाओ जी ऐसे ही तुम बुढ़े होते रहोगे हमको उससे क्या मतलब बताओ जी Happy birthday to you हाँ जी इस पे इतने खुश क्यों हो भाई तुम तो बरसों पहले ही निकल चुके हो तो बर्थडे वाला नाटक ये क्यों है भाई कैंडल शैंडल धूप से बुझा के बेसुरों की भीड़ फालतू में लगा के बर्थडे वाला सॉन्ग जोर जोर से गवाते हो हमसे साली साली का हजामत करवाते हो ये सब नौटंकी फिर भी
Wish you a happy birthday, Swati. I love you so much. Yeah, that was my sweet, pathetic performance on your special day, and I'm not sorry for that. I really, really wish you get everything you ever desire for, and you never face any dull moment in your life. I hope we meet soon, and yeah, I really miss you a lot. Like our balcony talks, going on shopping together and whatnot. But yeah, till then, just listen to these lines. These are specially for you.
बेकरार होके दामन थाम लूं मैं किसका बेकरार होके दामन थाम लूं मैं किसका क्या मिसाल दूं मैं तेरी नाम लूं मैं किसका नहीं नहीं ऐसा हंसी कोई नहीं है जिस पे ये नजर रुक जाए बेमिसाल जो कहलाए तू जिए हजारों साल ये मेरी है आरज़ू
Happy birthday to you. Aha. Happy birthday to you. Aha, aha. Happy birthday to Swati. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Swati. Enjoy.
So here's a little dedication for you, Swaz, and this is your favorite song, my favorite song, our theme song, technically, alright? Here's to the ones that we got. Here's to the wish you were here, but you're not, 'cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones here today. Toast to the ones that we lost and away, 'cause the drinks bring back all the memories. And the memories bring back you. Memories bring back you. So how do we swag about swags? Of course we're gonna do cheers, but we're gonna swag as this way. So cheers to you for bringing back all the memories, and the memories are gonna continue for us. So cheers to you, my love, and this is how we swag about, baby. Shouldn't really be drinking during the day, but hey ho, it's your birthday. Everything is fair on your birthday, and this is actually our favorite Malbec red wine as well. So definitely we're gonna have our drinking session pretty soon. So make sure you're having that extra bit of drink on behalf of me as well, and likewise I will do on behalf of you. Take care. Bye now.
Here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not. 'Cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones here today. Toast to the ones that we lost on the way. 'Cause the drinks bring back all the memories. And the memories bring back your. There's a time that I remember when I did not know no pain. When I believed in forever and everything would stay the same. Now my heart feel like December when somebody say your name. 'Cause I can't reach out to call you, but I know I will one day. Hey. Everybody hurts sometimes, everybody hurts someday. But everything gon' be alright. Gonna raise a glass and say, hey. Here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not. Cause the dreams bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones here today. Toast to the ones that we lost on the way. Cause the drinks bring back all the memories. And the memories bring back your memories bring back your